Hi everyone. So I don't know what happened, and I was recording this video, and while recording the intro and the outro of this video, the camera got completely frozen, and it did not record the video part of it and just recorded the audio. So I have to record this again. So this is a Eid makeup tutorial. I hope you like this video. And what else? Yeah, I wanted to add one more thing before starting this video, that I have changed the name of my channel to Glam Mary MUA. And I did this because I wanted my channel name to be unique and easily searchable. So yes, that's one update I wanted to give. So that's it. Please continue watching. I hope you like this video. I'll start with my eyes first, because in professional makeup we are always told to finish off with the eyes and then do the base makeup. So for the eyes, I'm going to, before I begin with the eye makeup, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the concealer, and the concealer that I'm going to use is this LA Girl Pro HD concealer. I'm going to take it at the back of my hand. I can check how much I need. Take this concealer brush and apply it. A tiny quantity. Now I'm going to set this with some loose powder. The loose powder that I'm going to use is this Krylin translucent powder. It's in the shade TL11. Let's begin with the eye makeup. So for today's look, I'm going to do a very simple gold shadows. I'm going to use this PAC 391 brush. Eyeshadow that I'm using is this Morphe James Charles palette. In this, I will use some neutral shade for transition. Mostly you can go with browns, dark browns, deeper browns, light browns. That goes with all eyeshadows. I made an in-depth video about eyeshadow. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So for today, I will be using this shade in the crease as a transition. As I go after this, I'm going to repeat the same process and keep going step by step from one eye to another. Here, to make it more deeper, I am not going to take this black, grayish black. I'm going to use this nice golden shade on the eyelids. I'm going to use my fingers to apply. So for primer today, I will be using this Wet n Wild matte primer, quantity only, and I will apply it all over the face, focusing on the nose. I'll use the same concealer for the LA Girl one. I'll do the concealer first and then apply the foundation. But I don't apply foundation on the areas where I have used the concealer. So I'll apply a little bit here. And if you want your eyeshadow to look very sharp, you can draw a very tiny line like this. Okay, and then just blend it. To blend it, just tap the brush, slowly tap it so that the concealer blends in place. If you drag it, then it will not look great and the product will get pushed. Repeat the same process on the other side. Again, tapping motions, not dragging. Use powder because my skin is very oily. I like to powder to keep the area matte and oil free. So I'm using the same powder underneath under my eyes to set the product, to set the concealer in place. Yeah, that's done. I'm going to use the concealer in this area as well. So wherever I have applied concealer, I won't use foundation in those areas because it may get very cakey. If you want, you can use, but if it makes your face look cakey, then avoid it. The lesser product you use, lesser the chances of your makeup looking cakey. I made an entire video on how to avoid cakey foundation. You can check it out. Pack HD foundation. I'll just use 3 pumps of it. Apply it with this brush. It's a very good foundation. You must try it out. Next, I will be contouring my face, and for this I'll use my PAC Cosmetics Terracotta Bronzing Powder. I'll use the contour shade here. Next, I'm using this PAC Studio Blusher. It's in the shade 01. It is a nice shimmery shade. I'm using this PAC 031 brush for the eyeliner too, and for eyeliner I'm using this Maybelline gel liner. It's the best affordable gel liner. If you're looking for a gel liner, go for this one. It's good if you're a beginner and you want to try how gel liner works. It's amazing. It's good for brides as well. A lot of makeup artists use this gel liner for brides. It's nice, waterproof. I'm going to use it for my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to use my PAC Big Highlighter, one of the best products from PAC Cosmetics. This is from shade number 04. It has a nice beautiful golden shade. And I am using my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Last but not the least is the lipstick, and for lipstick I am going to use this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. It's a beautiful bright red shade. It's called Kitten Heels. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This was my first full face makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos from the description box below. They were related to makeup, related to skincare. I've made a lot of videos. You can check it out. See you guys in the next one. Bye.